Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can install YouTube Music. So at first let's open our TV. It was the screensaver. We have to start from the home screen, and as you can see we have to at the first be sure that we are connected to the internet, and I am to the Wi-Fi network. The next step, we have to go for the apps right here, and right now we have to open Google Play Store. When you are in the Google Play Store, of course you have to sign in with your account. So input mail and password. When you are here, we have to go for the search for the right upper corner. And let's open the keyboard and let's input our application. So YouTube Music. We can also find the quick search from that bar above our keyboard. So I'm going for the YouTube Music, click on the search, and here it is. As you can see, we can simply open this application. I just get it, so I don't have to download, but if you don't have it, you have to press here to the install, and after that you will be simply able to open this application, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.